Hello from Elliott Waves Trading. So this week we have an update on NASDAQ, which we have been tracking. So first, looking at the big picture, this is a weekly chart from October 2020 lows. We have seen a clean five-wave rise, the green one, and then we had a fall in W, and in ABC, what we thought is X going on. So in the big picture, nothing much has changed. But if you remember from the previous updates, we have been waiting for a weekly negative close, which we have got this week. So on these internal counts, there have been some changes, though the larger picture remains the same, and we are still expecting the Y downside to unfold in the coming weeks. So if I zoom into daily chart, we initially thought that this point is X, where we thought that C is complete. But looking at the structure, we had a three-wave down move, which we initially thought it could be either uh, ABC unfolding or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. But then we saw a sharp move up and which took out the previous high, which we thought is X. And if you look at this structure, so this is 3 and then this again is 3. So basically the corrective structure is not was not complete, and it is still going on. So one change we are doing is we are moving our X from this point to this point. So uh, and now we thought this is A or 1. So this cannot be now 1 because um, this this high has taken out the previous one. So this the possibility of 1 2 is eliminated. So this is our new X. So we need to reconsider this 1A 2B uh, counts. So looking at the latest chart, this is what I think is happening. So yesterday we got a positive daily close. So this down move seemed complete. And if I go to hourly to confirm the internal structure, we can see it is a five-wave structure: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So this fifth low is lower than this green wave bar, which was the third. So we have a five-wave down. So that makes me think that this is likely the A that we were expecting earlier here. So we have possibly A in place, and after that we got A, then we got a corrective structure so far B, and then C might unfold. So this C, once this is complete, this would create our wave 2 or B, and then we should expect wave C or wave 3 down unfold, right? So other than moving our X from here to here, nothing much has changed. We are still bearish on NASDAQ, and the expectation is, looking at the big picture, we should at least get equality in wave Y of wave W, which is around 16,800, though Y waves are typically the longest, so it could possibly extend to 1.6 times of this or even two times of this. So we will see how that evolves. And another thing to notice here is you can see that we have a very strong bearish engulfing structure which formed this week. Let me switch to candlesticks. So the body of this candle has completely engulfed, and in fact, even the high and lows of this candles are kind of engulfing the whole candle basically. So this is a very strong candle, and looking at this wedge structure formation of this uh, makes me think that this is the top that we are going to have, and they should hold, and they should act as our pivot. This high of 20,600. So as long as this is holding, I think our downward move should be in play. But if this breaks, then that's when we would have to revisit. But looking at the current structure and this bearish engulfing at this upper trend line of this wedge structure, I think that this should be a very good indication that the down move should start unfolding. Uh, just one thing, if you go back to the hourly structure, this ABC is not complete. So there is a chance that this C will unfold next week, early next week sometime. And from that point, once this is second or B is complete, so let me also check quickly what we can expect for B. So in way we already did 38.2%, and 50% is around 2240, 61.8 is 2325. So I would say this would be a good place for 2 or B to complete and C or 3 down to unfold. So 2325, this should hold on a closing basis in hourly, daily, and that's when we should start seeing the downward momentum continue. So that's all for this update. Thank you.